Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Propolis tincture. Gather raw propolis, 70% or stronger grain alcohol, a glass jar, and a fine strainer or cheesecloth for filtering. Break the propolis into small pieces or freeze and crush it for better extraction. Use a 1:5 ratio of propolis to alcohol by weight, shake daily, and strain when the liquid is deeply colored and aromatic. Measure your propolis on a digital scale to ensure a consistent 1:5 ratio with alcohol for extraction. If the propolis is hard, freeze and crush it to increase surface area and speed extraction. Use a glass jar with a tight lid to avoid evaporation and label everything with dates and ratios. Store finished tincture in amber bottles away from light to preserve potency and shelf life. Add crushed propolis to your jar, pour alcohol to reach the 1:5 ratio and seal tightly. Shake the mixture once or twice daily while it macerates for 2 to 6 weeks until the liquid is richly colored and aromatic. When ready, strain through cheesecloth, press the solids to recover liquid, then let the tincture settle and decant into amber bottles. Label with date and concentration for safe, repeatable use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.